This is the Akeem Checkered Trivoli self-adhesive tile that I have decided to put into the kitchen and bathroom of my tenant's apartment. The reason why I bought the black and white checkered tile is because over the last 22 years that I've owned this building, it has turned into a very hip neighborhood. Lots of very hip young people are moving into it, and they all like that retro look. And there is nothing that says retro more in an apartment than black and white checkered tile. As you can see from the old tile, the new tile is going to be a huge improvement. It is self-adhesive, it is no wax, 12 by 12, and it comes in packs of either 20 or 45. All you have to do is peel the backing off, lay it into place carefully, and press it down, and it's stuck in place. So this is the way it came out in the kitchen. I'm very, very happy. The tenant in the unit is very, very happy. It's a huge improvement. We liked it so much that we went into the bathroom and we did it there too. Very, very happy with the new floor.